From next month, Dublin City Council are introducing stewards on a pilot basis to try and stop people from touching Molly Malone's breasts and further damaging the statue. Earlier today, I stood here for an hour to see how many people touched the statue, just to see whether or not it was a tradition like everyone said, or whether it was tourists coming and going looking for a good photo op. Over the course of an hour this afternoon, we saw over 70 people touch the statue for selfie opportunities, but also rubbing the statue for good luck. We also asked people their thoughts on the statue and what they thought about this tradition of rubbing Molly Malone's breasts for good luck, whether they'd heard about it before they came to Ireland, and whether or not they'd heard about the statue on their trip.
I've been saying that for a long time now, that like, why? You wouldn't do that to a man's statue. You wouldn't go and grab anything. So I don't know why you would do that to her.
But that's kind of weird because that kind of encourages people like to judge somebody else. I find it creepy.
The fact that people are touching her breast is inappropriate.
I mean, it's a statue, shouldn't be touched in the first place.
It's a monument. The statue, we really see the breast like changing color. In France, in Paris, we have the statue of Daygo where we see that people touch her breast, and I see in the background that people are touching her breast right now.
Just the idea of people like rubbing her like the whole day, I think it gives the wrong message.
Actually, I heard something about it, and well, you can notice by watching the statue. Well, I think it's something that people usually do on many statues around the world. I don't like it very much, but yeah.
They're trying to get kind of stewards to come and stop people from touching.
Well, I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's better if you don't touch the monuments. Well, it can be more. It can be more preserved for eternity. So yeah, I agree.
The statue's bronze surface will also be corrected to fix any tarnishing caused by tourists touching her breasts for photos. Many of the tourists we spoke to seem to believe that it was a bit of an out-of-date ritual, or it was something that they do believe should be gradually phased out. For this story and more, you can check out the Irish Independent